Hello, hello. Hey, y'all. It's fall. And today we are going to be talking about our movement of the week. And this week, our topic is on travel and low back pain. You know, a lot of times, or this is the season of travel, Thanksgiving, Christmas, what have you, going to visit family and friends. And that means a lot of time spent either in the car or in the airport or on the airplane. So I want to give you guys a few tips that you can do to help alleviate some of that back pain. One, it's a cushion. And as we get older, we kind of don't want that, oh, I need to sit on a butt cushion to help me. But if you have pain in your sitz bones, if you have pain in your glutes, this is a good option if you're going to be in the car or on a long flight. You're just going to put this on your chair where you're sitting and sit. In it, usually they have like a little dip where you can put the pressure where the pressure is so that you're not sitting directly on that pain. And it's really a lifesaver. I use it as I travel back and forth to Mississippi. That's a 10-hour, some people more, ride. And it really comes in handy when you're sitting that long, as well as get up, take breaks throughout your trip or throughout the flight. Even if you don't have to go to the bathroom, walk and come back, just move around, alleviate some of that pressure. Another tip that we have for you is take a little towel. You can take a towel and put it in your carry-on bag or put it in your purse. And then we're just going to roll the towel up, whether it's this way or long ways. And you can put it back there in the small of your back. You're going to sit all the way back in your chair or your seat, and that's going to give you a little lumbar support. Nowadays, you have a lot of cars, a lot of vehicles that already have lumbar support built in with the little things on the side, and you can manipulate those. If you don't have that, or you have an older car, or you're on the airplane, again, you can take this towel and use that. Lately, I was flying, and so this is tip number 3 that you can do with the same towel. If where you are has great back support, then just use that seat. But you can also use this towel, and I'm going to fold it up this way, to put behind your head. A lot of times when you're traveling, whether you're driving or whether you're the passenger, we're overdoing this. Whether it's on our phone, whether we're reading a book, what have you, our head and our neck is down. As we talked about before, a lot of tension here through the neck, through the spine. So what you want to do is take this towel, put it behind your head, and push back on the head rest. Some airplanes, one I was particularly on recently, it actually pushes you a little too far forward, so you wouldn't want to use that there. But what you could do is put it maybe between the shoulder blades to push you out more so that you can get that head and neck back. So resting your head against the headrest while you're traveling is really going to take a lot of strain off of your neck. So that means what you will have to do is bring the phone or the book up. You have to hold it up here while you're reading, what have you, to keep it at eye level and keep that head back against the headrest. So try those tips. They will definitely help you during this busy traveling season. And we'll see you next time. Jamaica Muhammad with Anointed Hands Wellness. Bye-bye.